guys, this is Munesh and you are watching Tech Twitch. Today we'll talk about the latest Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Yeah, it has got quite a big name. Not quite a big name. In India, a 5G variant with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage is the only variant to be sold officially. The Indian variant comes with Exynos 990 SoC. It's the same processor they provided with Galaxy S20 series. It is announced in three colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black. While in India, we'll only see Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black. Moving to the looks, the first thing that takes someone's attention is its huge camera bump. It has a triple camera setup. The main camera is a 108 megapixel sensor with laser autofocus system. The next we see is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the last is a 12 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom and 50x hybrid zoom. The device can record up to 8K videos at 30 fps, which is pretty impressive. It has a 6.9-inch Infinity O dynamic AMOLED screen with 91.7% screen to body ratio, which is covered by Gorilla Glass Victus, or you could say Gorilla Glass 7. Company claims that this is the toughest glass for smartphones till now. We also get to see the curved edges both on the front and the back of the device. It comes with an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. On the right side there is a power button and volume rockers. The left side is completely clean. Top being a flat boxy profile has a microphone and hybrid SIM tray. It has a hybrid dual SIM slot and also supports eSIM. So you can select one eSIM and one physical SIM or two physical SIMs. On the bottom there is a stylus, speaker wheel, USB-C port and primary microphone. The speakers we get here are the stereo speakers. Well, it comes with stylus that has Bluetooth integration. The latency of the stylus is also reduced. Earlier it was 42 to 43 milliseconds and now it is 9 milliseconds, making it super smooth. Also they have added new gestures to the stylus. It comes with a 4500 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging and also supports 9 watt reverse wireless charging. Also the weight balance of the handset is pretty good considering its size. It's only 208 grams. Let's see the contents we'll get in the box. The first is the handset itself, a 25 watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, AKG branded earphones and extra earbuds. The earphones are the same they provided with Galaxy S20 series. It comes with Android 10 One UI 2.5 out of the box. The Indian variant 5G with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage is to be sold for 1,05,000.
1,05,000.
There is no way denying that it is a very expensive Android smartphone. Link to the Amazon and Flipkart is given in the description. There are cashback schemes up to 19K for specific credit cards, so check out for them while ordering. As per the reports, the device will be available for purchase in the country starting August 28th. Here are the quick specs for you guys. So that's it for now. What you guys feel about Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, do let me know in the comments. Also, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Instagram at @tech.twitch. Thank you for watching.